Have you ever stopped to think about how animals thrive in the wild? It's fascinating. Take the Arctic fox, for example. With its thick fur and white coat, it blends seamlessly into the snowy landscape, making it a master of camouflage. Then there's the clever octopus, which can change color and texture to evade predators. Communication is equally remarkable. Elephants use low-frequency rumbles to talk over long distances, while dolphins employ a complex system of clicks and whistles. And let's not forget about the incredible adaptations, like the chameleon's ability to change color for both camouflage and social signaling. Each animal has evolved unique strategies to find food, build shelters, and survive in their habitats. Nature is a brilliant tapestry of survival, and every creature plays a vital role in this intricate web of life.